We're packing up. We're moving to Phayao. I'm telling you now. Loving it. So we're just walking further along. It really does have that seaside vibe, even though obviously it's a lake. I grew up in a seaside town and it feels just the same. Walking along the waterfront. Don't have to. This is nice, isn't it? Oh, look at him. He's cool. What is the significance of these creatures? We went to one like that. See over there, it's just full of cockerels and stuff. What's the significance? Are they just offerings? I don't know. I really don't know. Don't know who that dude is, but he looks pretty cool. Have you ever seen a bluer sky in your life? Look at that. Not a cloud to be seen, it's just blue, blue sky. That's lovely, isn't it? They're all just eating.
I've never seen anything like it,
Is that a rose?
No. But whatever it is, it's
Gobsmacked. Well, these are roses, aren't they?
No, none of these are roses.
Okay.
It's more like a pea family.
We have that there, whatever that is, which is amazing, cool and beautiful. And then you got this. And then in the lake you have these wooden boats that are just being putted along on. This is spectacular. Truly spectacular. And down here there's just fish galore, as you can probably see. You probably can't see the fish, but you can definitely see the movement of the water from the fish. But if you stay here long enough, they all come up right up to the step. You know, we've only been here a few hours. Generally, first impressions. My first impressions of this place is I could live here very happily, except for when the haze season comes, in which case it would be absolute hell on earth. But at this point of time, in this point of time, this place is stunning. Stunning. And yet it's got enough, I think, to be interesting. And my wife is an artist. She could just spend every day here with a million different things to be drawing. I think her ideal would be to have a little coffee art shop here, which is very difficult. You can do businesses in Thailand, small businesses, as foreigners that I'm aware of. Or if you can, I don't know how to do it. If anyone knows, can we set up a small business in Thailand and being able to live here? Because if we could, we're packing up, we're moving to Phayao. I'm telling you now. Chiang Rai, 1.5 hours away. Chiang Rai, 1.5 hours away. I think Lampang and Lampang, they're not that far away. I mean, you're literally in the centre of all the action in Northern Thailand. And it's, I mean, it was a shame it's so hazy. I mean, it's not, I don't think it's like pollution haze at this stage. It doesn't feel like it, but there's mountains and stuff over there, or massive hills anyway. And it's peaceful, it's beautiful. It's not really like where the foreigners come. There's a few people here for sure, but it's not hundreds. We've probably seen a handful of Westerners while we've been here. And right, look at that down there. Phayao. Phayao. Phayao? Phayao. I'm not sure how you say it, but I do know that I like it.
It's a Silver Fox vlog. If you would like to support my adventures